In July 2014, Microsoft gathered the various partners of the European AAL PyLife project together in Lisbon. The PyLife project is a part of the Ambient Assistant Living Joint Programme, co-funded by the European Commission and local NCPs, national funding parties, which bring together a consortium of 8 partners located in Portugal, France, Poland and Hungary. The goal is to develop an application capable of making the relationship between elderly citizens and computers easier and more intuitive. AALFred is a personal assistant that helps and guides users in accessing information and communication technologies, ICTs. This application aims to be a new solution for interaction between people and computers.
AALFred provides you a simple and unified interface that guides you through the process of sending messages. You can also make appointments in an agenda in a very easy way. You can find services like hospitals, pharmacies, ATMs near you. You can check the weather, and you can do all this by using a normal computer, by a traditional way, using a keyboard or a mouse, or you can just ask, because AALFred can understand you, and he talks back to you also.
One of the scenarios that we're dealing with is interacting in the living room, using, for instance, the television set as a monitor. And here, the usual way to be in the living room is to be sitting on a couch or a chair in front of the TV and not going over there to interact.
When some other people, young or not, come to their home, they are very proud to show the system, and they say even that they have the feeling to be in the society, to be young elderly, to stay active, and this is also very important for them.
And also that in this case they can keep contact with their grandchildren better, I think, because they can understand the language of their grandchild or younger ones, so it's also important.
Tá?
Olá, Hugo.
Olá, pai. O que é que fazes aí?
Estou a experimentar uma nova aplicação.
Isso tem alguma vantagem?
Tem a vantagem de se poder comandar pela voz.
A voice simulates presence. It enables the app to communicate with the user in the same way the user communicates with his family and friends, by using speech.
News: Hereford United suspended.
Hereford United suspended from all football with immediate effect.
User studies made in PyLife revealed that elder users prefer and relate better to more mature voices. Based on this, the goal was to create at least one elderly personalized TTS voice for each participating country.
We have collected about 100 hours in each language from senior speech, and tried to train the systems for recognizing speech of senior people quite well.
Basically, voice is part of creating a personality for something. The problem of speech that it needs much more evolution and work in terms of research. That's why we need projects like this one.
This project presents the next step in technology for this type of population. So Microsoft is really interested in developing apps and services that can be used in devices that target also this the population that is getting old.
So we're going to put it on the Windows Store first, see how it goes. The idea is to have a free version as a start, and then we're going to focus on specific homes for seniors or hospitals or stuff like that.
All the social media services and modern ways of communication will no longer be the exclusive domain of the younger generations. AALFred is here to help the elderly stay active, participate in society, and keep in touch with their loved ones.